In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a PDF into your notebook so you can reference it, ask questions about it, and keep your research organized. Start by opening your web browser and searching for NotebookLM. This is the quickest way to get to the official site. On the results page, look for the result that introduces NotebookLM with a mention of study notes and mind maps. Click that result to head to Google's landing page for the product. Layouts can change from time to time, so don't worry if the page looks a little different. Just make sure you're on the official NotebookLM page. On the landing page, click Try NotebookLM. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your Google account and accept terms before continuing. After that, you'll be taken into the NotebookLM app. Once you're in, you can create a new notebook or open an existing one. If you're starting a fresh project, create a new notebook and give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. If you already have a notebook where this PDF belongs, open that one instead. Either approach works. The goal is simply to be inside the specific notebook where you want your PDF to live. Inside the notebook, look for the Add Sources option. This is where you connect materials that NotebookLM can reference. Click Add Sources to bring up the source options. Next, choose Upload Files. Your file picker will open, navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved, select the PDF you want, and click Open to begin the upload. Depending on file size and your connection, processing can take a moment. You'll see the file appear in your sources list once it's ready. A few quick tips to get the best results. PDFs with selectable text work better than scanned images, so if your PDF is a scan, consider using an OCR tool beforehand. Keep file names descriptive so they're easy to find later. If your PDF is large, give NotebookLM time to process before you start interacting with it. And if you're organizing a research project, add each relevant PDF as a separate source so it's easy to manage. That's it. You searched for NotebookLM, opened the official page, clicked Try NotebookLM, chose or created your notebook, clicked Add Sources, and uploaded your PDF. Your document is now part of the notebook and ready to use. Thanks for watching and happy researching.